Hello silly bakers, let's make this creamy espresso protein chia pudding. First we're going to grab a jar or a container that has a lid, and we are going to add 1.5 teaspoons of espresso powder, or you can just simply add a shot of espresso. You can decrease this to 1, you can increase this to 2 teaspoons. I think 1.5 is perfect. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of hot water. This is just recently boiled water, and this will dissolve the espresso powder. We're just going to give that a little mix. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of milk, any milk. This is soy milk. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. You can add any yogurt that you like. This is half a scoop of vanilla whey protein powder. This is optional. And I'm just going to give that a mix before I add the other ingredients. Just want to make sure that the protein powder is dissolved. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. You can sweeten this how you like. I'm just going to give that a mix. And lastly, we're going to add our chia seeds, 2 tablespoons. And I like to mix this for, I don't know, about 15 seconds or so. And then I like to just leave it be for a couple minutes and then come back to it and mix it again for another 15 seconds. And we're just going to add a lid. We're going to refrigerate 3 to 4 hours. Enjoy this very creamy espresso protein chia pudding. At approximately 300 calories, over 25 grams of protein, and about 11 grams of fiber. This is a great breakfast, post-workout snack, even a really great dessert that's high in fiber and high in protein. Enjoy.